أَمَّنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُم مَّوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ.
Saya nikahkan anak kandung saya Fadlayanti untukmu Kemal Pasha binti Marwan dengan mahar 25 banyak pas lunas.
Saya terima nikahnya Fadlayanti binti Fakhruddin Harun anak kandung bapak saya dengan mahar 25 banyak dibayar tunai.
You fix your makeup just so. Guess you don't know that you're beautiful. Try on every dress that you own. You were fine in my eyes a half hour ago. And if your mirror won't make it any clearer, be the one to let you know. Out of all of the girls, you're my one and only girl. Ain't nobody in the world tonight. All of the stars, you make them shine like they were ours. Ain't nobody in the world but you. Ain't nobody in the world but you. You stop the room when we walk in. The spotlight's on, everybody's staring.